Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be swatching and trying all of the L'Absolu Rouge INTIMATTE Blushing Nudes collection from Lancôme. So if you would like to see all of these swatched on my lips, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I wanted to take a second to show you guys the packaging as well as talk a little bit about the product because as I was editing this back, I realized I didn't really do that. So we've got the classic Lancome logo as well as the rose, and that rose is actually the button to open this product. These are enriched with 30% moisturizing rose balm and hyaluronic acid, so it's not going to dry the lips out. It's got up to 18-hour wear and 8 hours of guaranteed hydration. They also have an ultra creamy texture, you guys, and are smudge and bleed resistant. The first shade is Surprise Surprise. All right, so right off the bat, I am loving the angle on these. They fit like right perfectly on your lip. Like it's not too sharp of an angle. Some lipsticks are so sharp that it gives you like triangle cupid bow, but this like is a more rounded. It's kind of hard to explain. It just feels right. This particular shade looks a little patchy on me. I don't know if it's just this shade or if it's my lips, but a beautiful color nonetheless. Let's try the rest. Next is the shade Lover's Whispers. And it looks a little something like this. So, so pretty. Wow. Okay. I love the formula of these. They are super creamy, but still matte. So here is Lover's Whispers swatched. I really, really love this color. Super cute for spring. Next is the shade Got Me Blushing. I know I'm gonna love this one. This is like matching my hair perfectly. Okay, you guys, I am in love with this color. It is so, so pretty. Another thing that I love about the shape is that up here, it is very liner-like. So it's easy to line with the tip of the lipstick and then go in with that flat side. And it just hugs the lip just right. Next is the shade Burst of Joy. Super vampy. Love it. Let's see what she looks like. She's not as dark as I thought she'd be. But will I still wear her? Absolutely. Next, we have the shade Unspoken Feelings. Nice little nude. This is like my lip color, only cuter. And here's Unspoken Feelings, fully swatched. Here we have First Kiss. And here is First Kiss, fully swatched. This shade is called Hush Hush. Ooh, this one's pretty too. And here is Hush Hush fully swatched. Last but not least, we have Self-Revealing. And here is Self-Revealing fully swatched. Super cute pinky nude. Well, that is it, you guys. That is all of the swatches for the L'Absolu Rouge Intimatte Blushing Nudes collection from Lancome. I just want to say a huge thank you to Lancome for sending me all of these lipsticks to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.